Because we are asked to estimate, we need to use the increments formula. So in this case, we can say a change in t is going to be equal to the derivative of t in terms of the mass times a change in the mass. And that's an approximate. Because we are estimating the percentage change, we use the increments formula. That states that a change in t is approximately equal to the derivative of t in terms of the mass times a small change in the mass. In this case, our change in the mass is 4% of that mass, so it's equal to 1 over 25 times the current mass. To find dt on dm, we have to find the period in terms of m. So previously we found the period is equal to 2 pi times the square root of j over 3. And we know that the relationship between j and the mass is j equals m r squared. So we can sub that in, giving us t equals 2 pi times the square root of m r squared over 3. We can then bring that r squared out, giving us 2 pi r times the square root of m over 3. Now, to find dt on dm, we take the derivative in terms of m, so the 2 pi r over 3 acts as a constant, and then the derivative of the square root of m is 1 over 2 times the square root of m. And that's done by multiplying out the power, which is a half, and then taking 1 from that, which gives us the exponent of m being negative a half. So therefore, dt on dm is equal to pi r over 3 root m, with those 2's cancelling out. Now, to find our change in t, that's going to be approximately equal to pi r over 3 root m times 1 over 25 m. And this simplifies by multiplying the m and the 1 over the square root of m. That gives us pi r times the square root of m on the top divided by 75. We can sub in the r equals 14 now, which gives us 14 pi square root of m over 75. To find the percentage change in t, we have to divide by the overall t. So the percentage change is equal to the change in t over the original t times 100%. So in this case, change in t over t is equal to our 14 pi square root of m over 75 divided by the original t, which is given here. So 2 pi r times the square root of m divided by 3. We can simplify this by putting it as 14 pi square root of m over 75 divided by 2 pi r square root of m over 3. Flipping the fraction and multiplying, we get 14 pi square root of m over 75 times 3 divided by, and we'll sub in 14 for our r, so we get 28 pi square root of m on the bottom. Putting these together, the two square root of m's are going to cancel, as will our pi, and then the 14 cancels with the 28 to give 2 on the bottom. We can then multiply it all together, so we get 3 over 75 times 2, which is 150, which simplifies to 1 over 50. Now our percentage change is going to be 1 over 50 times 100%, which is 2%.